MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Claire, BCW, this is a real success story locally, but nationally too. Can you talk me through from when the company started to where you are today?
Yeah, so we were formed in 2002 by the three business owners and started in Burnley, and we're still in Burnley. Started in some lockups about 5 miles across town, and they grew and grew and grew as our contracts did, and really targeted being first-tier suppliers to large OEMs in the automotive and aerospace industry primarily.
And when was the company founded?
In 2002.
Wow, so
Yeah.
in the space of 13 years.
Yeah.
And what are you turning over now? What have you come from and to?
Yeah. So that was a ground zero position.
Yeah.
And now we're turning over 16 million, on target for 18 this year, 21 the year after, and at least 25 the year after that from the orders that we've got around us.
So locally as well, from an employment perspective, how many people do you actually take on?
We've got 120 people currently, but we've got commitments through the grant schemes that we've benefited from to take on a lot more in the future. And we've always been committed to that and employing local people where we can.
And it's all machine. You've got a couple of facilities because we're going to have a look in a while at
Yep.
a new building that's being built. But you've just moved here as well, I believe.
Yes, yeah. We've just moved here. We've only been here a matter of weeks, and that's really allowed us to organise the space, give us expansion space, better stock storage, better machine layouts, and it's a better environment for our people to work in as well. We really wanted to do that.
And what people would say there is always a key to a success of a company or a business. What's BCW's?
I came here in 2010, and having looked from, backwards and forwards at our plans, we've always reinvested in the company. We've always invested in new machinery, and that's allowed us to fulfil the contracts, take on more people, and really demonstrate to our customers that we're here, we've got it, and we can facilitate those large contracts.
You've also launched a sister company. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, of course. The sister company is called Greener Industrial Solutions. It's been going about 2 to 3 years now. Primarily set up to organise our transport and recycle our waste product. But we actually have formed more of a machine maintenance section now. With so many machines, we've got well over 100 machine tools now. They go and they do the machine maintenance, the machine breakdown, and they do a lot of preventative maintenance. So we're training our staff with our own people, and we're making sure that the machines we do invest in last for a long-term future.
That's great. Now, like me, you're quite youthful. How would you, or what would you say to young people looking to get into manufacturing and engineering these days? Is there a future in it?
Yeah, definitely. It may not be a career that you think of straight away, because there's a lot of other things that you look at, the service industry for example, but there's so many opportunities to travel. You're working with some great companies, first tier OEMs, that's rather exciting. And SMEs, look at SMEs, you get a lot of responsibility in those, and there's often a good career path if you can get on with an SME and prove your worth really.
So Tony, this is what you call Lih World here at BCW.
Yes, welcome Paul.
Thank you. How many Lih machines
We've
have
got
you
8 machines in this particular cell.
Right.
With 3 variants. We've got Lih MCV 1200s, 11020 and 11700.
And you're machining extrusions here,
We're machining aluminium extrusion.
So therefore you've got high-speed spindles?
High-speed spindles, all the machines are fitted with the 15,000 spindle, direct spindle option.
Now you don't just buy 8 machines of a particular brand without obviously liking them, so what do you like about the Lihs?
Well, we searched the market and this particular machine fitted exactly our requirement. 4-axis capability which was integrated, direct drive through the control, and all the options suited our particular need through coolant and various other options, high-speed options.
And we've spoken to Claire already. The business has obviously gone through an extreme period of growth, and with that sometimes the waters can be choppy commercially. I hear Ward High Tech help you out.
Yeah, we have an exceptional relationship with Ward High Tech, and they've supported BCW in the purchase of the machines and various schemes to help us finance the different machine tools.
Is that one of the things you like about the business?
Yeah, one of the reasons we bought Darley is more often than not, they have machines in stock. So because of our short lead time to get products into our suppliers, we're able to bring the machines in. We do our own engineering. We don't use engineering support from Ward High Tech. That's done on site at BCW. So we're able to bring the product in to our customers very, very quickly.
So when you have a need, they can respond to it quickly, but they can also demonstrate flexibility in what they offer commercially for the business.
Commercially, there's lots of schemes that they offer us, which actually support the product, and they're actually able to finance it to bring it into the business quickly.
And so how much bigger is Lih World going to get?
Lih World, I'd like to think it will carry on growing. Lih have lots of products out there. We've just purchased the largest Lih we've ever bought from them, which is a DCM 3216, which is a double column vertical machining centre. That's on its way to the UK in the next few weeks.
And that's going to be in your new facility?
That will be in our new facility, our aerospace facility, which we are developing and setting up at the moment.
So we've relocated here now, Tony. What are you doing in this machine shop?
Well, this site's dedicated to turbo products. We machine aluminium compressor housings, and we also machine the bearing housings out of cast iron.
And I noticed behind you, that's your oldest Lih machine?
Yes, this is a Lih 720, which was bought when we set the business up. It's over 12 years old now. As you can see, it's still going strong.
It looks like it's still going strong. It looks in good condition as well.
It's in fairly good condition, but it's done a lot of hours. It's got a lot of hours on the clock.
I was going to say, are you working it hard enough?
It works hard enough. It works 3-shift system, but it does over 100 hours a week.
Wow. And this isn't the only machine you've got in here. You've obviously got Watch-Ons as well.
We've got some Watch-On 200Bs in here. We've also got a Watch-On 300 high tech. We've also got the Lih product, which is a DMV 800, which is a twin pallet vertical. We have 3 of those on this site.
It's a fantastic company, Tony. I really have appreciated your time today. Wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.